तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
So hello guys, welcome back to my channel AB Tech. In this video I'm gonna tell you guys how to open TikTok after ban in English. So many people commented me in the last video that they want in Hindi version, so I bought this video specially for you guys. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. So first we have to open Play Store and install a VPN. See, you have to search VPN like I am searching VPN, and after that in the fourth option the secure VPN option will come. You have to install that option. After installing that, you can easily put any country's VPN. See, I'm showing you how. You have to accept its term and conditions. After that, it will check your network connection settings, DNS server, first connection preparing and many more. After that, it will ask you for a subscription, which is VIP features. VIP features include worldwide location. You can use any country's VPN, but in free you can use 5 to 6 countries VPN, which is enough for viewing TikTok. So guys, you have to just, if you want the subscription, you can just buy it from here. I'm not buying it because I do not need it. So you can see up cross button is there, you have to click on that. After that you can see a location button, you have to click on that, and the best network is coming in Singapore. So you can select any of these, but the best thing is that Singapore server will be best for using TikTok. So you have to just select Singapore. It will get connected. It will ask you for connection request, so you have to click on OK. Now it will ask you that free server with ad. You will get easily server with ad. Some ads will come, but no problem. But if you want the downer option, fast server, no ad, then you have to become a VIP member. That is very costly, so we can select free server. After that it will ask you to rate this app, so you just do not rate it, don't mind it. After that it will become connected. Here you can see the speed easily. Now you have to just go open Chrome. After opening Chrome, you have to search tiktok.com. TikTok interface will open. After that you can view easily and see the videos. Wait, yes, now it came. See, you can view the videos easily over here. See, I'll show you how to use this. It will ask you to download the app, but downloading the app is not so secure, because if you download the app, you are using a free VPN. You can be detected and be caught by the police. So not downloading it, the better way is using Google Chrome. So you click on not now. See, I'll show you after this. You can also scroll down and watch whatever videos you want. It will also ask you for login. Wait, first I'll show you how to get these videos done. How to see. You can also log in away from here. If you log in, you will get one feature that you can also put videos on TikTok. From here, if you don't log in, also no problem. You can watch the videos as you want. You have to just click on the cross option to get back, and you can view this as I'm viewing. So you can easily see that I'm viewing it easily, and you can search for your favorite TikToker also from the search option. So guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel AB Tech and put comments very nice. Thank you. Please share and subscribe my video.
2,000 years later.